Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Elixirs of Rotrack. Today with us we have the most in-demand team, the team Digital Communications. Hello everyone.
So, hi guys, I am Rotractor Mithil Pante, the Joint Digital Communication Director for the year.
Hello guys, I am Rotractor Siddharth Pitare, Joint Digital Communication Director of the.
So it's been more than a year since y'all have gotten into the council. Like we all got selected in the month of March in the year 2020. So how did y'all feel when y'all got into the council?
So, in the beginning, I think I joined the council in the third phase. Like two phases were already over, and I was contemplating a lot. Ki, should I apply? Should I apply or not? Because I was very tired after the presidential year, and I was like, no, I think that's all. That was my part that I had to play in road track. But then I felt like ठीक है यार, I don't want to miss out on something because I know that in third year I might not be able to apply and do council and handle my university and everything at the same time. So I just spoke to my parents once. I asked them कि, what do you think, should I apply, and they were like, do what you want, ठीक है. बोला ठीक है चलो, so I'll apply. I applied for two posts, I think, ED and Digicom. So then, in my year, I had already done a lot of the Digicom related work when I was the president, because we had many problems in the club at that time. So I had some digital experience on my hand, but I wanted to explore the ED avenue because I hadn't done anything related to that, and we didn't have it in the club as well, as we were a community based club. So then I thought, okay, let's see if I apply for ED and I get it. I might learn something new. But then when I had the interview with the core team, they told me, you already have experience, with digital. You know how to work with software. So why don't you want, like, why don't did you put Digicom as your first preference? So then I was like, I hadn't thought about it. I just wanted to learn something new. I'm okay with anything. So yeah, after a few days, then I got the mail ki, ha, chalo, you've got the Digicom position, and we'll be starting a time. We made a WhatsApp group. Then everything started gradually. It was a happy moment. Like it every time is when you get in the BOD or in the core. So it was the same position how it was in the previous years, of course.
Great. Siddharth.
So first of all, I was in the board of directors for the year 2019-20 in RCKCM, and then when I saw a post regarding the council, uh, council application, so I thought, कि, let's try this. Means board of directors तो हुआ है अभी क्लब में तो कुछ मतलब बड़े लेवल पे करना चाहता था तो so then I asked my seniors who were in the club, those who were the core members, that should I apply or not. Then they were like, you can still apply for the club's core post to get more experience. But then I was like, this is the only year that I have to do something. Because then in my fourth year, I won't be able to do anything much. So I decided to go for council. Then I filled the form of council on the last day of applications, and then I was so chill regarding it. But then when the interview dates were announced, then I was a little bit scared. Then I was like, whether should I go for the interview or not? So it was still in my head. But then something came up on the interview day, and I was like, okay, I'm not going for interview anymore. So अभी जैसे हो रहा है वैसे ही करने देते हैं. So then I thought a bit, and then it was my first professional interview, means regarding this. So I decided to go for it, and then I went for the interview. Then it was a little bit tough, as I was not much prepared for the interview. But then uh, after 2 or 3 days, I got a call, or maybe later, that I was selected for the post. Then uh, it was, what can I say? What much of a amazing experience. And then this was indeed a challenging year, 2020, since
Hmm.
everything was digital. So it has been good till now.
A lot of pressure on y'all, the whole team. Like it it was like crazy how you all were so much in demand this year. And also, like both of you all were dicey about getting into council. Both of you are were contemplating about it, and even you were tense कि ये last year है. दोनों का same था कि next year final year है तो नहीं पढ़ाई करना है, ये ट्रैक नहीं करना. But great to have you on team. The next question that I want to ask you all is, how did the whole team, including Tulika, Shrihari, and you both, how did you all manage to create so many different creatives for all the other teams? Because it's been a hectic task. How did you all manage it?
So basically, when I joined, I joined the last in the team, or the three directors were already in place, and then I was the last person to join the team. So these guys they had already started doing some work. Like Siddharth was making a few certificates, then Tulika was working on the birthday creative thing, and like everyone had some work. So when I joined, we had a avenue meeting, of course, and then we talked about ki let's do one thing, let's break down these avenues and distribute them among us. So we all started taking one avenue of our choice. So just like that, we distributed avenues among us. Like one director has 5 avenues or 4 avenues according to the primary thing. But if sometimes it happens like Siddharth has his exams, okay, and he can't take up the work of that particular avenue that he is in charge of, so someone else takes it up. So we have distributed very well among us, and we've been following that strictly. But sometimes it happens कि someone can't do the some like SM के साथ ही ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि you contact me but then I'm not available, so then you contact Shri, then you contact Siddharth, or you contact Tulika, and someone of us does it. So like जैसा भी है distribution, at the end of the day काम हो जाता है, इतना है.
Would you like to add on anything, Siddharth?
नहीं, बस ये स्टार्टिंग में वैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हुआ था कि ये पर्टिकुलर रेवेन्यू ये लोग करेंगे, पर बाद में ऐसे कुछ चला नहीं कि जो भी मतलब जिसको भी काम होता था वो ग्रुप पे डाल देता था कि आई एम नॉट फ्री तो एनीवन कैन टेक अप, पर फिर मतलब कोई काम इनकम्प्लीट नहीं रहा
हाँ,
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन.
that I agree. Like कहीं ना कहीं से काम हो ही जाता था तुम लोग का. So that's great.
So yeah, moving on to the next question. Seeing the entire work until now, so with all the amazing creatives, that too they are done on Photoshop, right? So what's the secret recipe when it comes to such amazing creatives? Like what's the thought process which goes into your mind while making the creatives and everything?
Um, I think it's different with all the directors, because everyone's thinking capacity and their creative limits are very different. Like Siddharth, and we also work on different softwares. Now, I like working on Illustrator and Photoshop, whereas Siddharth likes working on Canva. So he's more comfortable over there. So it completely depends on the person you're speaking to. Now, if you're asking me, I'll give you one simple example. So there's this project of promo called the Raptopus, the thing that they're doing under the Rai app, Rai thing. So I got a very simple, theme project explanation that the name is Raptopus and that's all. And then she sent me a logo, ki ye octopus hai and he's wearing a hat and he has the spectacles, and she just sent me the logo and she's like, this is Raptopus, this is the content that we have to put out, just make a JPEG. And then I was thinking, what could I do? Then I gave it some thought, and I saw कि ठीक है octopus का logo है, so let's do some water thing, let's do a sea theme, or let's do something related to that. Then I made the whole background of underwater. I added a few elements. Then I made a bubble type of thing where we could put the photos on, and it's again like very different with all the projects as well, and different with all the people you talk about. So yeah, I think that's pretty much
Yes.
about me.
Adding to what Mithil said, I remember in the previous conversation with Promo, like Jinal Mehta from Promo, she too even mentioned about the same thing. Like octopus is something which a responsible ambassador from Rotaract can be related to, because he or she is handling so many different things. And the same conversation which you are striking it over here, it is like connecting to the previous thing which we talked about. Siddharth, what about you?
So basically, after getting any creative mail from your So I try to get some time thinking over it, कि what could be done. Uh, most of the times it is like बहुत टाइम हो जाता है पर कुछ आइडिया नहीं आता, तो ऐसे ही कुछ तो रिफर करना पड़ता है कि मतलब कोई तो आइडिया आ जाए। पर कभी कभी ऐसे इंस्टेंटेनियसली आइडिया आता था कि अभी ये करना है तो हाँ, लेट्स डू दिस वे। फिर आइडिया आने के बाद वो मतलब प्रैक्टिकल में कर सकते हैं, मतलब उतना कुछ टफ नहीं है। पर अ, मतलब ऐसे होता है ना कि हर बार
रिजेक्ट हो
जैसे
जाता है।
चाहिए वैसे तो बनता नहीं, जैसे चाहिए वैसे नहीं
हाँ,
बनता, कुछ अलग ही बनता है। तो मतलब ऐसे बहुत से जितने भी पोस्टर्स बनाए हैं उसके रफ रफ पोस्टर्स भी हैं कि जो कभी मतलब मैं ही सेंड नहीं करता था ये अप्रूव करने के लिए, ऐसे ही मतलब लगता था। तो उनमें से जो भी अच्छे होंगे फिर वो भेज देता था।
but like I would like like तुम लोग का जो ये आइडिया रहता है, तुम लोग जब भी बनाते हो एंड एवरीथिंग, देर आर मेनी क्रिएटिव्स दैट गो इन द ट्रैश, राइट? लाइक so many that get rejected. First of all, rejected तो होता ही है, but उसमें like final जो बनता है, that everyone knows कि एक के बाद एक तो फाइनल बनता ही है, but the first that you make is so difficult to make. So what do you feel about that as well? Like what happens when you think, जब भी कोई सामने वाला ऐसा बोलता है कि like when you put your heart and soul, I would say, into that making that creative, what do you feel about that actually?
um,
Anything?
you know, many a times we get a very good project brief ki this is the name of the project, this is the description of the project, these are the dates of the project, this is the content that we want on the JPEG. But sometimes we get very random content, and then we have to put in a lot of efforts to come up with a simple design itself. you know and coming with the design in the first place is a difficult thing, but then you don't give a good brief, and then it just adds on to the difficulty. So like most of the times, what, ऐसा किसी ने ऐसा बोला नहीं है कि यार बहुत गंदा बनाया है कि ये चेंज करो, ऐसा कुछ ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है. But most of the times it's we only who think कि नहीं यार, I know that I could do better than this. But कैसा है ना कि कभी कभी तुम्हारे मूड पे भी डिपेंड करता है कि हाउ योर डिजाइन. So if you're feeling very low today, you're very stressed out with your college, you're doing something else the whole day, and then you get a project brief कि I need this to be posted tomorrow, so I need the
Ah,
design by tonight, I have to get it approved by the morning, and we have to post it in the afternoon.
oh
So
my
I'm like,
god.
oh, and it's quite understandable, because being in the club, I also know कि how many times I have told my digicom कि नहीं भाई कल मेरे को चाहिए at any cost, because so much goes into planning one project. And most of the times kabhi if you're calling a speaker, the speaker says no, then at the end moment they say yes. That happened with you all
हाँ.
also, I recollect. So ऐसा बहुत बार होता है, एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड कि वो लोग का भी गलती नहीं है ना हमारा गलती है, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट it gets very stressful sometimes. But then the first thing you put out, right, the first thing, like ऐसा होता है कि हाँ चलो, now I switch off my charging, I've taken out my mouse, I have taken out my keyboard, I'm sending this file, I'm exporting it, I'm mailing it, it's gonna get approved, and then I'm gonna get a good night's sleep. And then I get a message, could there be color changes, could there be text changes? And for one moment I'm like, no, please I have to sleep. And I'm
Sorry,
like, ठीक है
Mithil.
चलो कर देते हैं, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है, and then we do it. But as you said, the first thing that goes into making it's very difficult, and when you make it, we take a sigh of relief कि हाँ भाई हो गया at last, ऐसा है. Siddharth, what do you think?
सो फर्स्ट मतलब जब ये स्टार्ट हुआ था तो most of the projects that I got were of HRD and they have something related to theme. तो
Hmm.
वो वैसे इंकॉर्पोरेट करना होता है कि पोस्टर में वो थीम के एलिमेंट भी आने चाहिए, तो वो थोड़ा टफ जाता था. Then there were days like I kept on thinking whole day and doing some random stuff related to that poster, but कुछ होता नहीं था. और ऐसे ही लास्ट रात 12 या फिर 1 बजे बीच में आइडिया आता था कि लेट्स डू, मतलब ऐसे कुछ करते हैं. तो फिर तब हो जाता था, मतलब 1 घंटा तब करने के बाद कुछ हो जाता था. तो ऐसे भी होता है. देन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मतलब ऐसा होता है कि फर्स्ट इसमें अप्रूव हो जाता है सब, तो उसके रिलेटेड कर
Rare.
सकते हैं. एंड जब भी मतलब ऐसे फ्री टाइम होता है तो आई ट्राई डूइंग सम रैंडम टेम्पलेट्स, मतलब ऐसे रेडी करके रखते हैं कि अगर नेक्स्ट कुछ वैसे प्रोजेक्ट आया कि जिसको ऐड कर सकते हैं, तो मतलब वैसे प्रोजेक्ट के मेल आने के बाद वो डायरेक्ट इनकॉर्पोरेट करके उसमें ही वो थोड़ा मॉडिफाई करके पोस्टर बना सकते हैं. तो ऐसे भी कुछ रेडी रखे थे, तो मतलब ज़्यादा टफ नहीं हुआ, मतलब इजी हुआ.
The next question I want to ask is, what is the one most saddest part of Digicom and one most happiest part of Digicom this year for you all?
Saddest part, I think, I think just saddest doesn't define the whole part. I think saddest, the most annoying, everything that there is the part that, this year being totally digital, so much digital, everything digital during the pandemic. It was really sad for, like, it's a good thing that there are 4 directors, but it was sad that there was so much work to do at all times. Like, I remember in the first quarter, we were all handling so many projects because every team was doing something. Everyone was, as we call it in Rotaract, everyone was in their honeymoon phase, and we were all doing projects. We were all doing 1, 2, 3 projects. PD was doing something, Comserve was doing something, and every project was a big project. So ऐसा भी नहीं हो सकता कि normally you have to send out the JPEGs only to, your avenue groups, your district groups. You have to send it out everywhere, and everyone has to know. So everything had to be of top notch quality, and everything had to be spick and span. So I think the sad part was in the first quarter and the second quarter, we got very overworked, But the good part is we got that break in the third quarter, a little break, and then we got a little break in the fourth one as well, and we covered everything up. Also, the good part is that we all, like, I did not know any of these people. I hadn't seen them in road track before. Not Shri, not Siddharth, not Tulika, no one. Even Zakir, I hadn't interacted with a lot. So I think, like, meeting all these people and, interacting with them and speaking with them and learning so much from them in this whole year was the very good thing that I experienced personally.
Siddharth?
So about the saddest part, I would say कि most of the times होता है, in case of Sri Gauri or also in case of Anisha, that you all ask कि is it done, like the poster that you have said, and most of the times I, मतलब ऐसे होता है कि वो मैसेज देखा नहीं होता है, फिर बहुत टाइम होता है, एंड देन आई एम लाइक कि अभी तक तो कुछ किया नहीं है, पर रिप्लाई तो करना है इनको कुछ तो तभी कुछ थोड़ा बहुत ट्राई करके ऐसे बताना होता है कि हाँ मीन्स आई एम ट्राइंग, कि मतलब ऐसे कुछ हो रहा है, पर फिर भी मतलब ऐसे कभी कभी तो झूठ ही बोलना पड़ता है, तो वो आई थिंक इज द सैडेस्ट पार्ट. एंड अबाउट द गुड पार्ट, ऑन द अदर हैंड, contributing entire year to the council, it has been a very good experience. Got to learn many more things. बहुत से प्रोजेक्ट्स हुए जो कि मतलब अच्छे लगे, तो उनके लिए भी कंट्रीब्यूट, मतलब पोस्टर्स के थ्रू ही, पर मतलब हाँ, तो ये इट वाज अ गुड पार्ट.
Sad thing, same with me. जो भी सिद्धार्थ ने बोला, same goes with me.
Moving on to the last session now, we'll be playing a very fun game with y'all. Who's most likely to? We'll be presenting some situations to y'all, and you all have to guess who could be most relatable to in that situation. So let's begin the game.
Okay, so the first question is, who's most likely to give reasons for not making a creative?
हाँ, क्या बात है.
हरी हरी, तूने अपने आप को पॉइंट कर लिया?
हाँ, मैं अपने आप को कर रहा हूँ.
खुद ही एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है वो, ठीक है, that's a good thing.
Okay, moving on to the next question. Who is most likely to bang someone's head looking at the last minute people's demands?
Tulika is the majority. Got it. Yeah, so the next one is, who's most likely to give up sleep to make a creative? Hard. Shri.
अभी है
Siddharth. I have seen them giving me creatives at night 2 a.m. and something like that.
ठीक है. Moving on to the next question. Who's most likely to argue with their vertical head listening to the endless demands and the instructions?
obviously
Yeah.
what do you think और क्या होगा रिबेल है वो रिबेल
हाँ, rebel.
So the last one is who's most likely to breathe into the space of designing and graphics, like make a maybe career out of it, or who's the most engrossed in it? Ooh,
it's me
Srihari.
I am doing VFX animation obviously
Yes, we have seen that.
That's great. So guys, with this we come to an end of this session. Hope you all have enjoyed talking to us and hope that even the viewers have enjoyed watching this video. So until next time guys, bye.
Bye bye. Thank
Bye.
you.